Look friends, I found this old tin box. My mom was about to throw it, but at right time I rescue it. Let's recycle it and give a new look. This is what I transformed. Are you guys interested to know? Let's begin. I also found some craft items stored in this box which will be helpful for me later. I will paint the whole tin with white fabric color. This is done, let it now dry completely. Now the fun part begins. Take any leaf available to you. I have taken hibiscus leaf. Let's take green color. But green fabric color wasn't available, so I mixed yellow and blue fabric to make green. If green color is available to you, then you can use it. To the wrong side of the leaf we will paint with green color, then paste it. Now we will follow the same process. Isn't it looking interesting? Show this DIY to your kids. They will rock this DIY, even you can also rock it. Isn't this an amazing and cool DIY? Comment below. This is almost done. Now I can use this tin as my scrunchy storage box. Hope you all liked this DIY. Subscribe for more such videos.